Today was not always known as Reconciliation Day. In fact, this is what I used to wear on the 16th of December, because it was a sacred day. It was Dingansdag, Bloedrivierdag, Day of the Vow. We never understood that as children. Why were we in church on a Wednesday? They said it's a sacred day. We said, nee, my magdag, it's a Wednesday. And of course, they told us the story of Blood River. And like so much of our history, it was like a Harry Potter story. Die voortrekkers is oor die Drakensberg met hulle ossewaans. En daar kom hulle in Natal. En hulle vind 'n rivier. En hulle trek hulle waans in 'n lager. En hulle wag. And they waited. They waited for the Zulus. And of course, suddenly they looked up and there were 250,000 Zulus in their ostrich feathers and rare and protected animal skins and assegais and shields. Imagine 250,000 Jacob Zumas without cell phones. The voortrekkers knew that they had to fight those Zulus. There were about 169 voortrekkers against that mass of anger. What did they do? The voortrekkers did what any white South African would do in a similar circumstance. They got on their knees and they prayed to God. Because in those days, God was an Afrikaner. And they said that if God would allow them, us, to win the battle of Blood River against the Zulu nation, that we Afrikaners would celebrate that day for the rest of time. That day being this day, the 16th of December. And you know, every year, on the 16th of December, in the Voortrekker Monument, this great erection on the hill outside Pretoria, a sunbeam comes down from heaven, especially for us. At noon, on the 16th of December, it falls down through a hole in the roof onto the words in the basement that say, Ons vir jou, South Africa, we for thee, South Africa. Every year, on the 16th of December, at noon. Well, till 1994. Because then the sunbeam stopped right in front of me on that day. And it went onto a sign on the wall which said, this toilet is for whites only. Then we realized something was wrong. Then we realized how politically incorrect it was to even conceive of the fact that we Afrikaners would win battles against the black tribes of South Africa because God was looking the other way. So yes, let us celebrate today. It is no longer a celebration of racism. It is a celebration of reconciliation among all the people of South Africa. And then when I think about the story of Blood River, Bloedrivier, die groot trek, I sometimes think maybe I prefer that story to Harry Potter. Ons sal lewe, ons sal sterwe, ons vir jou, Suid-Afrika.